What's up, guys? Today we are here and we are flying a drone. Alright, so let's get right into this. Before we get into it, I gotta show you this drone. Tell them what it is.
This is a DJI Mini3 drone that we picked up from Costco. We're gonna have some fun with it today. All right, guys, we're here with the drone, and to take off, I put the drone on the back of my truck, and we are simply going to tap this little button on the drone, and then hold down this button that says take off, and up and away she goes. Control the drone. We can push it up in the air like that, and we can drive it forward. Wave to the drone.
Hello. Hi, guys. What's up? Okay, guys, if you heard the story, this is take 2, so hopefully you guys can hear us well. But so we were gonna shoot the video, and I told him his mic was on, and then it actually wasn't, and I didn't notice. So we shot the video, and we went to edit it, and guess what happened? I couldn't hear the audio. So we were like, uh-oh, what happened? And then I was like, oh, right, I forgot to turn on the mics. And then we were both so disappointed, and then this is take 2, so I hope that you guys can hear us well.
Look up in the sky, Hunter. The drone's about to come overhead.
For a sec. Oh, we're over there. Coming in. Dad, what percentage are we at right now?
Oh, we're at 89%. We got plenty of juice. All right.
Ah! Bird coming through. But it's coming to attack us. It's gonna eat us. Oh, jeez. I don't want to die.
Here we go. We're going to set her down right on the bed of the truck. Landing, 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 landed.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because we're trying to hit 65 subscribers by the end of the year. If we can make it, I'd be really surprised. But guys, click that subscribe button, help your boy out, and click the like button, because if we can get to, let's go 100 likes on this video, we'll do another drone video. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye!